So that brings us to our future research. And so the phase 2 of the same study is going to be pretty much doing the same thing, but adding one more site and trying to confirm and expand our results. And the knowledge that we gained from our last sampling from last summer is going to kind of guide us to figure out what we're going to do. The other study that we're going to do next summer is in the 4 sites that we're going to sample next summer, we're going to take out box cores, which is exactly what it sounds like. It's we'll take out a cube of sediment and put it in an acrylic box, and we'll take 3 of these box cores at each site, so there'll be 12 total. And at each site, we're going to have 3 treatments. So let's say at the Sheltered Bay or the Lower Estuary flat site, there's going to be no sulfate added, so it's going to be natural conditions. Then there's going to be low sulfate added to the box core and high sulfate. And what we're going to try and figure out from this is where, okay, so this was our conceptual model that we had talked about before, and this is where we thought the prime methylating zone is. But realistically, it might have moved a little bit, since we thought, this is the only area that we thought there would be quite a bit of mercury production, whereas we saw mercury production in all the sites, even though the conditions, the organic carbon and sulfate, weren't perfect. And so this is where we kind of put all the sites after we did the analysis last summer, and this is where we think the sites are currently. But if we add sulfate, we want to see where that moves the sites in the different areas. So is that going to move certain sites into the prime methylating zone, or will it move some sites out? Or we're trying to figure out, what additional sulfate to the system might do to the kind of methylating potential. So that's what our current research and future research is.